Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change Instagram grid back to square. Alright, here's a workaround. Say for example, just go ahead and fire up your Instagram app. Alright, now once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on a picture, for example like this one right here. Alright, as you can see here, you can adjust the way each post appears on your main grid. So basically what it means is that you would want to change every picture's grid. Like for example right here, this one, I'm going to click on the three dots or tap on the three dots if you're using a phone. All right. And here in the options, just go ahead and tap on adjust preview. All right. As you can see here, you can change it to fit. For example, tap on fit right here, as you can see, or fill. All right. Just go ahead and tap on done once you're okay with that. Done. And as you can see, when we go back to our profile, as you can see here, it is now set to square. All right. Unfortunately, you won't be able to do it on all pictures at once. All right. That's just basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.